What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I know, every trader wishes to be able to wake up each morning only to find that the trade is approaching its take profit target. Now on this video, I'm going to discuss more on risk management while using this trade as a reference, because I have noticed most traders don't have entry issues, but most have risk management issues, and that's why they can't go forward in their trading as a career. But before we proceed, let me first introduce you to Chart Prime. Chart Prime provides unique trading indicators that automate a trader's job on technical analysis. They have a plethora of tools that make traders' job easy, especially on technical analysis, like automatic pattern detection and so on. For more details, please do click the links in the description below. Now ladies and gentlemen, getting back to our video, we will assume that all entries were entered on these same digits of 575962.66. You can notice that the below entries vary slightly in pips, and I can say it because these trades were entered on instant market execution. So what you are seeing here are just difference in spreads. Having that made clear, let's now be aware of the initial risk on this trade. And these guys and girls will help you to remove that mind of thinking that you need to risk too much so that you gain too much on trading, which is a complete false theory, I might say. So our stop loss on these trades were at 572463.00, and taking our entry digits minus the stop loss digits, we get 3499.66. Next step is we divide our answer by 1,000, and by doing that we get our values to be 3.499 as it is visible on our screen calculator, which if they transform these numbers in dollars, they will round off to around $3.5 only. So each position here on the screen had just a total loss of $3.5. Summing up the total of all positions, the total risk on this trade comes down to only $21. These whole positions, if you sum up, the total risk comes down to only $21. And you can see for yourself the reward on the screen, and that it is almost $142. So we risk just $21 only to have our reward to be almost $142, which it is massive gains considering this is a small account. And you can notice for yourself, guys and girls, I didn't go full margin on this trade. I didn't enter this trade with big lot sizes on this trade. I only practiced proper risk management, and still I was able to gain massive gains for my small account, or as I like to call it, my lunchbox account. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to join my VVIP mentorship services or a paid signal page, please do click the link in the description for details. Now please take this time to click the like button, then hit that subscribe button without forgetting to turn the notification bell icon on. Thank you for watching, and bye.